School and learning. Welcome to FluentEase English. This is the channel where you learn English fast and speak with ease. Today, our lesson is about school and learning, phrases you can use every day in class or when you talk about studying. Remember, when you listen and repeat many times, English becomes natural. Repetition builds your reflex. The more you repeat, the faster you speak. So stay with me, practice step by step, and enjoy the lesson. Let's get started. Mini story, Anna's school day. It's Monday morning. Anna goes to school. She's excited because she has an English class today. Her teacher, Mr. Lee, smiles and says, "Good morning, everyone. What's your favorite subject?" Anna says, "My favorite subject is English." Tom, her classmate, says, "I like math." They both laugh. Mr. Lee gives a test. Anna studies hard and she passes the exam. She feels happy and proud. Tom doesn't study much and he fails the exam. He feels sad but says, "I'll do better next time." During the next class, Mr. Lee teaches new words. Anna says, "I'm learning a lot." But sometimes she doesn't understand everything. So she raises her hand and says, "Can you explain again?" Mr. Lee smiles and repeats slowly, "Of course, I'll speak slowly." After 1 hour, Mr. Lee says, "Let's take a break." Everyone stands up, stretches, and smiles. Anna thinks, "I love learning English." Now it's time for the Q&A mini-story, Anna's school day. Listen carefully, answer quickly, and don't worry about mistakes. This step will make your English automatic. Let's begin. It's Monday morning. Anna goes to school. Where does Anna go? To school. When does she go to school? On Monday morning. Who goes to school on Monday morning? Anna. She has an English class. What class does she have? English. Is it an English class or a math class? English. Who has an English class? Anna. Mr. Lee asks, "What's your favorite subject?" Who asks the question? Mr. Lee. What does he ask? What's your favorite subject? Does Anna answer math or English? English. Tom likes math. Who likes math? Tom. Does Anna like math? No, she likes English. Do they both laugh? Yes. Anna studies hard. She passes the exam. What happens to Anna? She passes the exam. Does she pass or fail? Pass. How does she feel? Happy and proud. Tom doesn't study much. He fails the exam. Who fails the exam? Tom. Does Tom pass or fail? Fail. What does Tom say? "I'll do better next time." Anna says, "I'm learning a lot." Who is learning a lot? Anna. What does she say? "I'm learning a lot." Does she understand everything? Not always. She asks, "Can you explain again?" What does she ask? Can you explain again? Does Mr. Lee explain again? Yes, how does he speak? On sipa. Slowly. At the end, Mr. Lee says, "Let's take a break." Who says that? Mr. Lee. What do they do? They take a break. How does Anna feel? She feels happy and loves learning. Excellent work. You have just completed the lesson about school and learning. Today, you practiced useful phrases like, "What's your favorite subject?" "I'm studying English. I passed the exam. I failed the exam. Can you explain again?" And let's take a break. Remember, repetition is the key. The more you repeat, the faster English becomes automatic. If you enjoyed this lesson, practice again tomorrow, subscribe to FluentEase English, and keep building your fluency step by step. See you in the next lesson.